फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लिव लाइफ फन स्टाइल। तो आज मैं आपके साथ एक प्रोडक्ट शेयर करने वाला हूं और जिस प्रोडक्ट का नाम है लाइफ लॉन्ग बॉडी मसाजर। तो इस नाम से आपको पता चल गया होगा कि इसका काम क्या है। सो दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट व्हिच विल गिव यू ए सॉल्यूशन फॉर ऑल योर बॉडी पेन्स। तो चलिए देखते हैं इसका अनबॉक्सिंग। ये जो प्रोडक्ट है बहुत अच्छा पैकिंग में आया है। यू कैन सी दिस हैंडल, यू कैन कैरी इट, इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट एंड easy to carry also। तो आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज फ्रॉम लाइफ लॉन्ग बाय बॉडी मसाजर। तो इसका जो बाय लिंक है मैं अपना डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दूंगा। तो ये वीडियो स्टार्ट से एंड तक देखिए और जानिए कि इसका यूज़ कितना अच्छा है और आपके लिए कितना यूज़फुल है। सो इट हैज़ 5 अटैचमेंट्स। जैसे ये है फ्लैट मसाज हेड, ये है वेबी मसाज हेड, दिस इज बॉल मसाज हेड, दिस इज द माइक्रोफाइबर मसाज हेड एंड दिस इज द मेश कवर। सो दिस इज़ हाउ दिस बॉक्स लुक्स। और इसमें कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन और मसाजर के बारे में डिटेल्स दिखाया गया है। इसका भी डिटेल्स मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ऐड कर दूँगा। इट्स अ वाइब्रेशन मसाज हेड। दिस इज यू हैव ए नॉब टू एडजस्ट द स्पीड and the vibration. As you see, this is the manual, okay, and the warranty card. So 6-month extended warranty is there. You have those, and this is the manual. I don't need to read it. So as you see in the box, we have this scraper head. Okay, so this is one. This is the second rotary head. Okay, this is the wave head. This is the ball massage head. This is the third one. So they have given a protective cover. This is the fourth one. Okay, so just rotate it and remove it. This is the fourth attachment and this is the cover. Okay, this is the fifth attachment. This is just a plain one. You want for massage relaxing, then you can attach this one. And okay, so these are the total items which are in the box except the warranty and manual which are kept inside. ये बहुत हैंडी है। इसका जो ओवरऑल वेट है that will be around 750 ग्राम to 1 किलो। बहुत हैंडी है। आपको कोई हेल्प की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अगर अकेले भी हैं तो आप अकेले ही इसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं। आपको किसी की हेल्प लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। वेट भी अच्छा है। ये जो बल्क हेड है इसमें रोटरी और मोटर इसमें है। Easily you can remove because it has some of the tracks. Okay, so these are the finishing tracks which will easily attach to your rotary heads. So you use this wave head. Okay, so this is required when you have pain like muscle pain and you have a problem with blood circulation. So this will help you ease your blood circulation and pain. So this head comes with all the 4 attachments. Okay, this is the first attachment. Let's see. You see, so you can easily place on your hand. You can see the muscles. Okay, if there is any blood circulation problem, you can easily place it in your hand, and it will give you a smooth and relaxing option. It's quite relaxing vibration. See this vibration? It's very effective. और इसका जो काम है वो भी अच्छे तरह से करता है। तो इजीली ये काम करता है आपके बॉडी में। जहाँ पे आपको पेन हो रहा है तो आप इसको यूज कीजिए और उसका इंटेंसिटी जो है इस बटन से आप कंट्रोल करके कीजिए जितना भी आपको कंफर्टेबल महसूस होता है। तो ना यू विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट हेड, दैट इज द बॉल हेड। तो ये जो है बॉल हेड। सो गाइस, दिस बॉल हेड विल बी हेल्पफुल टू इम्प्रूव और टू गिव रिलैक्स्ड फॉर सेल्यूलाइट, योर फैट लॉस एंड ब्लड फ्लो। एंड दिस हैज मोर इंटेंसिटी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हेड। एंड whenever you are using this one, you should be on that particular area. You should use it for 5 to 10 minutes so that you will feel the real impact or the real effect for this one. Easily you can control using this switch the intensity and the smoothness how you want it. So let's take, if I want to use it on my belly, okay, if you find muscles then easily you can keep it and roll it. Okay, so easily you can roll it on your stomach, belly, wherever there are fat deposits. So it will try to dissolve the fats, not immediate fit, but you have to keep it doing for many days. Okay, then you will find it will help you to lose the fats. And for cellulites, okay, and it will always improve the blood flow because of the vibration. It will lose the muscles, okay, and there is a stiffness, because doctors mostly they will tell whenever your muscle is stiff, let it be comfort, put some warm water or do some exercise to lose your muscles. Okay, so this is one of the device, this is one of the machine which will help you in losing the muscles and giving you the relaxation. Okay, so you can use it for your fat muscle, your thighs. Okay, so all the areas where you find the fat muscle is more. Let's move to the third ball head. So the third head is the flat head. How it will work? So when you want something soothing, or when you want something relaxing, or somewhere if the soft muscles are there, so you don't have to put the intensity once like this ball head, or wherever the muscles are getting a vibration this side. So have some. So in that case you need something smooth head. So this will be wherever like our this portion of the muscles which need a little bit of not harsh but soft vibration. Okay, so you can use this one, and yeah, so this is relaxing, this is helping. If I put the ball head, it might damage the skin because of the intensity of the vibration. So if it has the intensity of vibration, it doesn't have any problem by putting this on your neck muscle or your back of the muscle. Just keep it, and alone you can do it without any help easily. This is reachable everywhere. Okay, because of this short handle you can keep it anywhere. Okay, and everywhere you can keep these muscles. So here I am putting this, you see, this is soft, but the vibration is good, and it is very helpful for the taking out the pain from your neck and soft areas. And with one finger you can handle this on off switch. So now this is the fourth head. Okay, so this is the scraper head. You see, this is a little bit of rough. Okay, so this is used for pedicure. So when you have dead skin or hard skin in your leg or in your foot, so you can use this one to scrub it out and remove those dead skins out of your foot or the portions where you are doing the pedicure. So same thing, just attach it, okay, and you can use it. So maybe possible in the market you can get it. If this is like a sticker, okay, you can, once this scrub head or the threads have been removed after use, then you can change the sticker with a new one from the market and place it. So this is a flat one, you place it on the top and you can again use it. So this is very convenient to use. You don't have to put any strength on this one, just you have to hold it, okay, and do it. This is easy to use, hardly 750 gram, not a problem. And you see the handling and everything, I like it, not like ordinary massager, because I have used some one or two. Those are very lightweight.
तो अगर आपको ये मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया और ये प्रोडक्ट लाइक हुआ तो ज़रूर मेरे वीडियो को कमेंट एंड शेयर कीजिए. और आप अगर मेरे वीडियो में नए हैं तो डेफिनेटली क्लिक द सब्सक्राइब बटन. सो गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग एंड लिव लाइफ फन स्टाइल. बाय.